how to split a shape into equal parts in PowerPoint. So if you want to split a shape into equal parts in PowerPoint, then first you need to open up your PowerPoint application. After that, select your presentation. After selecting, now you need to go with insert, which is on the upper left, and from here you can go with shapes, and under shapes you can simply select the shape. So for example, I'll select this star shape. So once you've inserted the star shape, now you can just simply go with the shape fill, and then you can change the shape color. Once you've changed, now if you want to split this into two, then first you need to just copy this shape and paste it again, and here you need to add two shapes. Once you have two shapes, now you need to go with insert again, go with shapes, and you can select a rectangle. After that, make sure that you've selected the rectangle to the left side of the shape, and here I have the equal split, right? Once you have the equal split, now here on the left side you need to go with edit shape. So here, if you don't find the merge option, then you just need to simply go with search, and under search you need to search for merge, and after searching here you will have merge shapes. So under merge shapes you need to go with subtract, and once you've subtracted, now you can go and change the shape fill, go with the home tab or shape format, and from here you need to go with shape fill and then choose another color, and after that paste it right here, and that's it. You can also select these two and you can go with the designs. Here you will have all of these designs. You can just simply go with any design that you're comfortable with and add those designs. So that's how you can split a shape into equal parts. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.